Hey, Coach Harlan here with another Harlan's Hacks. These are things that come up either in conversation or on podcasts or videos that I'm watching. Something comes to mind that I decide I want to share, and here I am sharing. I'm in the kitchen right now, if you can't tell, and I love to cook. I spend a lot of time in the kitchen cooking because that's one of my passions, I guess you'd say. And it reminded me, we talk a lot about in the kitchen recipes, right? You have a recipe, and if you follow the recipe, you get an expected result. Same thing in your business. You have to have processes, okay? Standardized processes so that the work that you do is standardized so that you know when I start this process and in this process, this is the result I'm going to get, and it's a consistent result. And if you teach other people how to follow that process, they will get the same result. That makes your business a lot more flexible because anybody can step into the role and complete that process if it's standardized. Systematizing your business, that's how you get things to run like clockwork. That's how you get things to get predictable results, which means you can forecast, you can schedule, and things will work out a lot better for you. If you haven't systematized your business yet, call me. Let's go through, look at your business processes, how we can streamline and remove the bottlenecks and make your business run on clockwork. All right, that's it. Coach Harlan saying so long for now.